Fourth question. Umatai purchased following items from a khadi bandar. So there are some questions regarding this. 3 saris for rupees 560 each. 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, she received a rebate of 12%. How much total amount did Umatai pay? Okay. Now, rebate is a kind of discount which we receive during some special festival like Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day or something. So here, number of sari purchased by Umatai was 3. उमाताई ने 3 साड़ियाँ खरीदी. प्राइस ऑफ 1 साड़ी, एक साड़ी की प्राइस थी 560. सो 3 साड़ी की प्राइस कितनी हुई? सो वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 560 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15, 16. So here we got total price of 3 sari was rupees 1680. Now she has further did shopping of 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. She has purchased 6 bottles. उसने 6 बॉटल खरीदी हनी की. एक बॉटल की प्राइस है 90. So price of 1 bottle was 90. So what will be the total amount? So 6 zeros are 0, 6 nines are 54. So now total shopping, how much she did? Total cost of sari was 1680 and total cost of honey bottle was 540. So after adding these two, we get 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So total amount, total shopping she did of rupees 2220. So, and we have been given rebate of 12%. So rate of rebate 12% of total amount of purchase. Total खरीदारी जो उसने की, उस total खरीदारी में उसको 12% मिल रहा है. So 12 upon 100 into 2220. Now 0, 0. Further cancellation is not possible. We will simply take decimal of 10. Okay, so decimal of 10 means here one decimal will come. 12 into ये जो 10 है उसका एक decimal चला जाएगा यहाँ पे. 22.2. You can give the same decimal here also. आप ये यहाँ पे भी दे सकते थे. For example, ये ऐसे भी possible था. Anywhere, it is in denominator. You can give either here or here. Now, further, after multiplying this, we get rupees. Let's multiply 2.2 into 12. 2 2 is a 4, 2 2 is a 4, 2 2 is a 4. Then 1 2 is a 2, 1 2 is a 2, 1 2 is a 2. 4, 6, 6, 2. And the decimal before 1 digit. So before 1 digit. So your answer is 266 decimal 40 paise. So this was the rebate. This was the discount given to Umatai. So how much amount she has to pay to the Khadi Bhandar? So what we have to do, simply we have to do subtraction from total purchase minus this discount. So amount paid by Uma Tai will be total purchased minus rebate. So her total purchase was 2220 minus rebate was 266.40 paise. So we have to do subtraction. Let's see the subtraction. Subtraction is 2220. Now here we have decimal. So like this. So decimal 0 0. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 4 not possible. We'll borrow from here. 0. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus 6 3. Now 1 minus 6 not possible. Again borrow. 11 minus 6 5. 1 minus 2 not possible. Again we will borrow. 11 minus 2 9 and 1. So here you get your answer, rupees 1953 decimal 60 paise, which Umatai have to pay to Khadi Bhandar for her total shopping. Fifth question. Use the given information and fill in the boxes with suitable numbers. Srimati Deepanjali purchased a house for rupees 7,50,000 from Srimati Leelaben through an agent. Agent has charged 2% brokerage from both of them. So here we will fill the sums. Srimati Deepanjali paid. How much she paid? So 2% commission, that means 2 upon 100 into this 7,50,000. So 2020 cancel, simply multiply. So 2 zeros, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15. So 15,000 Srimati paid to the agent. Srimati Leelaben paid brokerage of rupees. Since the brokerage rate is same for both of them, so even Leelavati will pay 15,000 to the agent. Total brokerage received by agent is, from both of them he has received rupees 15,000. So his total will be rupees 15,000 add rupees 15,000. So it will be rupees 30,000. Now the cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid is, now since Deepanjali is buying through an agent, for her cost will be the cost which is fixed, rupees 7,50,000, plus she has paid 15,000 to brokerage. So that will also get added to this sums. क्योंकि उसने इतने ही रुपए तो फिक्स किए गए थे लीलाबेन के थ्रू कि लीलाबेन इतने रुपए चाहिए, और ब्रोकरेज बीच में आ गया, ब्रोकरेज को भी देना पड़ा. तो ये दीपांजलि जो है इनको टोटल कितना पैसे देना पड़ा. तो जब हम ये ऐड करते हैं इट इज़ इक्वल्स टू rupees 7,65,000. The selling price of house for Srimati Leelaben is अच्छा, श्रीमती लीलाबेन के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो फिक्स अमाउंट है इसमें से वो ब्रोकरेज का अमाउंट माइनस हो जाएगा. सो ₹7,50,000 क्यों माइनस, क्योंकि ये बेच रही है एजेंट के थ्रू और दीपांजलि खरीद रही थी एजेंट के थ्रू. सो यहाँ से ये माइनस हो जाएगा. 50,000 में से 15 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 35. See, if you can't do subtraction orally, simply use the old technique of subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 5 not possible. 4, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, and here comes 7. So 7,35,000, and here we comes to our end of 9.2.